This short video, I'll teach you everything you need to know. Get up and running with Ollama, which is fantastic and free open source tool that allow you to manage and run LMS locally rather than having to pay for ChatGPT. Yeah, use these hosted services online. You can actually run all of these models locally on your own computer. So you can get privacy and security based of all, and also you have facility to run anything inside your local. So let's start with how you can set up the Ollama on your system. So coming to the Ollama setup, first what we do, first we come to the ollama.com, that is our site, and once you land in Ollama site, you will see the download button here. See, there are three cases you can download, like Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. So I am using Windows system, so I will download. But in my system already Ollama I have downloaded. Only simple you need to download. Here if you click on the download button, it will download, and then you need to hit the installation button, how you are doing installation for other software, similar like that. Once it will complete, Ollama is running in your system. Now coming to the how you can run the model in your system. So that is very easy. First, which model you want to learn. So see here, there are 5 model there locally. Llama 3.3, DeepSeek R1, this is the latest one, PE4 and Mistral and Gamma 2. Okay, so if you want to run model, so what you need to do, first I will open the my terminal. Okay, yeah, already command prompt is there here. See here, my command prompt already open. Now I'll minimize and I will come to the Ollama site. So here, this is the our command is there, Ollama run 11 AMA 3.3. But I am not going to suggest you, it's required very good quality of computer. So in my computer I can only run 9 GB till 9 GB, but for this one I need 43 GB. So almost around my space is required more than 200 GB. So then I can run this. So in my computer right now this much of capacity not there. So because I have already downloaded a lot of other model, so I'm not going to use this model. I will tell you what I'm going to run. I will come here. This one I can run very easily in my system, PE and all, but also PE4. Okay, I'll show you how you can run PE4 model. What is parameter there? That is a Microsoft product. Okay, 14 billion parameter there. And if you see the data set and everything, here you can come and compare between Facebook, Microsoft product, and also DeepSeek. So what first we do? First I will click here, or I'm gonna run PE4, and then come to the my terminal, and here I will hit. Okay, only simple thing, and then I will hit, then it will start pulling the manifest. So for that it will take based on whatever, see 9.1 GB there, so means it will take a lot of time to install this one, almost 30 to 40 minutes it will take to install in my system. Okay, so what I will do, I will open another terminal and I will close this terminal. Okay, now it's a stop. Okay, similar like that guys, only I am explaining how you can download and use. Okay, one model I'll show you. Okay, so I'll go back and I will take this one, DeepSeek R1. So DeepSeek R1, which model I have very less capacity. Okay, 1.1 I'm taking Ollama here, and then how you can run here, I will come and I will hit this. Okay, this will not take much time because it's only 1.5 GB there. So based on that, because this one I've already downloaded, because of that it's coming send a message. Okay, if you download it, so it will not take much time. Okay, only first time whenever you download, it's like whenever you are installing that your model, so that time it will take too much time to load based on your computer configuration as well as your hardware and also your networks. So I've already downloaded this 1.5. So now I'm coming to show you how you can use this locally, instead of going to the use paid version. So I will give you simple example what I'm going to what I want to fetch the data. So I want to create a calculator app. So I'm going to give you prompt. I want you to create a simple calculator application which application using Python any free UI library like Streamlit. See how much time it will take. Okay, now see here. Now I'm already getting the answer from the my model. Okay, what you need to do, you need to simply copy and paste. You need to create a folder. I'll show you how you can create and how you can create the application also. So simply I will go to the VS Code. Okay, I'll search VS Code. Here is the VS Code there. The folder, inside new folder, I'll create a calculator app. It will take few seconds. Yeah, it's done. Now inside that I'll create calc.py. And then here almost everything is completed. What I will do, simple, I will copy this code. One second, let's copy it. And I can run this, Ollama anywhere. If I want to run in my VS Code terminal, here also I can run. Yeah, simple copy. I have all things I have done. Okay. Now I'll check if this whatever. Yeah, only one thing you required. If this package is not there in your system, you need to install. Okay. So very simple, quick. I will give you. If you want to install, what you do, you can create a one requirement.txt and then hit the pip install. So it will easily install these things. Okay. Yeah, I'm inside my folder. Yeah, now my terminal is up. Okay, maybe I was getting some issue, maybe some slowness there. Yeah, so let's see here. I'll go, folder name is calculator.app. Inside that I'm using calc.py, and then I'm running this code, python 3-m streamlit run calc.py. Some computer you don't need to this python 3-m, you can directly run this streamlit run calc.py. Now my application is running in these two network, local URL and network URL. So I'm using local URL. Okay, now see here, it's already running. It will take some time to load the calculator app.